Okay. So welcome, welcome, guys. Welcome, welcome, YouTube traders. Oh, brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. Super duper. Now, I did say I wasn't going to be scalping during. I did say I wasn't going to be scalping. I did say I wasn't going to be scalping during the live sessions, didn't I? But I take my word back. If it's this one candle strategy, then I will scalp. If it's a different strategy, I wouldn't. I mean, this is a high probability winning strategy. It's at least 75% winning probability. You know, so so if you were scalping, you should already be 10 pips if your broker is good. I have 3 brokers I use, and I went and used the wrong one for this trade. What a shame. What a shame. Okay. Let's check something out. Let's check something out. Okay. Okay, so welcome, guys. If you've just joined us on YouTube, welcome, welcome, welcome. Yes, you know, there's somebody who is a good person there. They've given me a like already. So if you're watching on YouTube, hit the like button for me. Give me a like, give me a like. We are in this trade already, and you can see it's dropped like a ton of bricks. 10 pips. Now, sorry guys, I haven't got my camera on today. You know, maybe I'll put it on slightly later. I haven't got my webcam on. But what matters is that we win. Okay, so let's have a look at other pairs. You know, I'm not in this trade yet, so let's move. Well, I'm in this trade, but I did not call it out on the live stream. So, or did I? Okay, whatever. But this is a trade I got into myself, you know, before the live stream. We're also looking at gold. Let's move this away. So basically, we call this the position box, guys. We call this the position box. It tells you who is watching on YouTube, which direction well, it gives you my bias really here. So you can see the green is where we want to be, you know, heading. The direction of the green, you know, we've not entered this trade. My bias is bearish and it's rejecting in this area. So I'll wait for this candle to close and, you know, decide on what to do. So the only trade I've really called out was this one, the euro. Sorry guys, if you're on Zoom, kindly be muted. You know, we are streaming on YouTube as well today, so let's be muted. So I mean, yeah, so this is basically the one I called out. Where's the USD card? That's a target. So if you didn't take your, ideally you should have closed out here, because we're going for like 10 to 15 pips or so. From there to there, let's say 15 pips. It gave 11 pips, so you should have closed out at 10 pips. But I believe it's still going to drop anyhow. I believe it's still going to drop. I believe it's still going to drop for us. But what we tend to do, regular practice for myself and the traders, is that we take profit at TP1 and move the stop loss to break even. So if you're watching on YouTube, give me a like, give me a like. Come on, guys. There are some of you watching now. I want more likes. If you are new to our channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. I was just saying that, I'll be sharing this strategy with the VIP members on Sunday evening when we have our training session. I'll be sharing this, strategy with the VIP members. So if you want to know how to be part of the VIP, there's a Telegram link below the video, or at least in the description section. There's a Telegram link. Feel free to join us and reach out to me there. I am currently offering to mentor traders for absolutely free. Well, if you've got $23, and you sign up to a particular platform I'm recommending at the moment, which is very profitable, then you could be part of our VIP for life, as long as I am trading, or as long as the platform is going. I believe the platform is here to stay, so you can be sure that you can have me, you could have my mentorship for free for life. I know some of you are wondering how is that even possible when Forex mentors are charging anywhere from $500 dollars to $5,000. Yes, that's fine. What happens is basically, I get paid by the company, as it were. I get referral commissions. That way, it's a win-win for you and I. If you have any more questions, just feel free to reach out to me via Telegram. The link is, as a matter of fact, I'll post it in the comment section on YouTube as well. So this is a trade I am in. Well, actually, I think I did call this, didn't I? So let's move that there. This is a sell position. Actually, it's the 15-minute time frame we entered on. Right here, right here, right here, right here. Right. Let's check other pairs as well. Let's see what other pairs we can find. Let's see what other pairs we can find. Okay, so I've just pinned the link to the Telegram group. I've pinned it in the comment section. So we'll watch to see how this gold trade closes. This 15-minute candle on gold, and we'll decide whether to jump in or not. We'll decide whether to jump in or not. All right, let's have a look at GJ. Come on, Goldie, don't go too far now. Don't go too far. Okay, so ideally, when you see my chart like this, it means we're in the trade. If the position box is close to the candle, it means we are in the trade. Otherwise, if the position box is far away like this, it means I've not entered yet, but at least you know my buyers. So let's move this one close because we have entered already. And this should already be at break even, which basically means I'm not going to keep it open to go hit the stop loss if I'm still in a trade. So ideally, that is what I do. I'll bring this one here. So all you can see is just the green. You can't see the red anymore, because I have moved my stop loss to break even. Right, let's let's do this. So this one is a USD card. And it was a 15-minute sell. Was it 15 minutes or 30 minutes? Let's see now. Yeah, it was I think it was a 15-minute sell. No, it was a 30-minute sell. Okay, super. I mean, this is a strategy that you would find on the chart regularly. Regularly. I mean, it's yeah. So basically, if I post it in the Telegram group, I won't have to spell out details, because it's usually a one candle movement. So I would only just tell you the time frame and tell you my entry. You would know where to place your stop loss. if this is the high of that candle, or if in this case, if this is the open, I would say to have a maximum of 5 pips above the candle, 5 pips. So you know not to go place it 10 pips away. After all, you are going for just 10 to 15 pips usually. So it's best to wait for the best setups. It's good to wait for the best setups. So you're not just like, winning one, losing one, winning one. There's no point in being such a trader. Right, yo. So this gold trade, it is respecting that area, it seems. 3 minutes to the close of the candle. So obviously the plan is that you are able to take these trades yourself very soon. It's by the end of March, you should be able to take, you should be able to enter some strategies, at least 2 strategies, one scalping strategy and one maybe day trading strategy. By March, you should be able to have those in your arsenal. So this was a winning trade. We've taken partial profits, just waiting to see if it drops more for us. Otherwise, if it goes to hit profit stop, really, it's not stop loss anymore. If it goes to hit the profit stop, that's fine. All right, let's have a look at GJ. Let's try GJ. Let's try GJ. Okay, GJ has dropped as well. We didn't enter this one, so let's take that off. This is a 30-minute time frame. Right, yo. So what's going down here? Okay, so you can see an example. For instance, you can see an example of a one candle strategy here. You can see the stop loss would have been like 46 pips, 46 pips. And it gave, obviously, at least it did give 1-to-1. It gave more, but at least 1-to-1. Even though it's a one candle strategy, the fact that it was that huge, it's a good thing. So you can actually take one candle strategies that are very huge as well. Yeah, this is most likely going to push to, here, but I want to see this. I want to see how this candle closes. This is a 1 hour time frame. Let's try the 30-minute time frame. Right. Okay. Okay, so with this gold, it might be good for a scalp. Let's just check the higher time frame. Right here. Like to wait on this one. Right. I feel this is going to be rejecting run about here. So it might present us another opportunity to get in again. Okay, so I mean, this was a winning trade anyhow. We got our 10 pips from this one. Yeah, I mean, this is I'm looking at this gold on the 15-minute. Trying to see if I can get a 1-to-1 on this one. Now, with the strategy, I mean, you want to look for at least a 1-to-1, at least a 1-to-1. Right. So this is GU. Right. Now GU looks like he wants to push up a bit, but ideally, well, I'm not scalping on this one, which means if anything, I'll be looking for something that will give me at least 30 pips. It's either I'm scalping or going for a minimum of 30 pips. So I mean, obviously, I'm looking for a buy on this one. Looking for a buy on this one. I mean, this is not quite 30 pips. Let's see. Yeah, I'll really be wanting a 30 pip. And scalping it is not an option for me. Scalping it is not an option. Okay, so this gold setup is what I'm looking at now for a sell. I mean, ideally, that's where I would want to enter, you know, but depending on your risk aversion, if you enter, that's like the target for a sell on gold. Okay, guys, I'll be back in about 5 minutes or so. I'll be back in about 5 minutes. I'll be muted. Let's all stay muted. You can see it's dropping already, but you know, I would not enter until I get it back here. So this is an M15. This is an M15 potential sell. I'll be looking to sell that one. It's also a one candle strategy. I mean, so this is what I'm going to be sharing with you on. Okay, I'll be right back, guys. I'll be right back. Okay, guys. So this is so we are basically, out of that USD CAD trade. So we are now basically out of that USD CAD. You would have secured the trade and taken partial profits, as it were. The gold one is what I'm looking at. I'm looking to see if we can get an entry on this one. As you can see, it says here, I'm not in the trade yet. This is the pound USD. We're basically still waiting for the market to decide where it wants to go before we jump in. And this is pound JPY. Okay. Okay, so we are looking at this USD CAD. Like I did say, we are looking to see if we can get a second trade on this one. The first trade was a winning trade. This is where we are now. It is at support and resistance area. If the candle is not able to close above this yellow dotted line, it could mean a further drop. I mean, if we go to the daily time frame, we'll see that it is an overall bearish, is bearish overall. I mean, look at that daily candle, yesterday's candle. That was mega, with a huge wick at the top as well. So this can actually go down some more today for us. This can actually go down some more. I mean, those who like or who are able to take trades off the daily time frame, now really this could be a one candle strategy off the daily time frame. Except that I believe there is some news later on. Let's see. Okay, that's for tomorrow, really. I'm not quite sure why my Forex Factory keep on defaulting to tomorrow's calendar. But anyway, okay. FOMC later on today. That is going to be huge. Now today is Wednesday. I was trying to see if I can have a live trading session with the VIP members. It is a busy. My evenings this week are very busy. FOMC. That would have been an opportunity to trade the news. But then we also have the NFP on Friday. Now, whenever we have the NFP and FOMC the same week, you know, the FOMC obviously usually comes first, which is what is happening today. And that would mean that if the market moves in a big way today, it might not then move in a big way tomorrow on Friday. So if today is when it's going to move, if we can capture the move in the market, that would have been good. So, I mean, that being said, we want to be careful how we take this trade for the long term. Otherwise, this would have been a one candle. Sorry, guys. So, I mean, with this this daily time frame, this daily, time frame setup, this could have easily been a super one candle strategy, whereby if you were to enter where we are now, just enter where we are now for a sell. I mean, you don't even have to place your stop loss right above this previous candle. I mean, because you can see there's a huge rejection here, even if it's like halfway. But hey, if you want to, you could say, if you want to play exactly by the rule, you can place your stop loss there, which basically means a stop of about that's about 180 pips. Yeah, I know you might think, oh, that's huge. But hey, if it's a strategy that works, why not? So if you were to place your stop loss there, it means you target 180 pips as well. It means you target 180 pips as well. From here, that's even little, maybe like here. Oops. I'm quickly doing this, guys, while we wait for the next trade. From here to here, that's like 180, 190, let's say there. Yeah, so I mean, that's the way I would have traded this if not for the news that's, going to be most likely affecting the market today and Friday. So when it comes to taking long-term trade, guys, this is one of the ways in which you could do that. A trade you could be in for, well, not so much even long-term, but even medium-term trade, a trade you could be in for, some days, maybe 1 day, some days, 2 days. Because if you consider, I mean, just this area, I can see I can see a lot of one candle strategy trades on here. If we are taking one here, for instance, could have taken one here, place your stop loss above. You can see if you entered, it did not even go halfway. This would have been halfway, it didn't even go halfway. Boom. It went about 80 pips and gave It has given more than 1-to-1 already. So this is one of the strategy I'll be sharing with you on Sunday evening. Right. Okay, so let's so let's have my camera on. Let's see. Yeah, okay, gold wants to do its own thing. Gold wants to do its own thing. So I mean, guys, we'll be finishing about we'll be finishing in some minutes. We have taken a profitable trade. This one is still doing its own thing. I mean, obviously, if you are in the trade, it's a 29.30 pip stop loss. So let's see how this one plays out. And this pound USD trade, my bias is to buy, except that it's not quite giving me my 30 pip setup. I mean, with this one, I don't want to move my stop loss. So we have a 30 pip stop loss on this one. And we can see gold is really struggling at this area. You can see gold is really struggling in this area. So we'll just wait to see the close of this 15-minute candles, and we would see if there's any trade we can enter, and we'll call it a day really in about 5 minutes, 6 minutes. Right. Right. Okay. I mean, you don't really want to be getting into trades when the market is not decided, but this is definitely, looking to push down. just be mindful of the fact that we have a pound related news. Oh, sorry, not today, that's tomorrow. Yeah, that's tomorrow. So we have the interest rates tomorrow, Thursday. Okay. Tomorrow, I would most likely throw the news. Okay, so what I'll do now, guys, I would stop the live stream on Zoom and continue on sorry, I'll stop the live stream on YouTube and I'll continue with my guys on the Zoom. Obviously, we're going to be discussing how we're going to plan the rest of the week. There are some news events we don't want to miss. There is the FOMC tonight. There is the interest rate tomorrow for the pound. And on Friday, we have the NFP. So there's a lot of news. There are a lot of news events this week. A lot of news events this week. Yeah, Euro Aussie dollar definitely is a naughty pair. So catch you again very soon on the live stream on YouTube. I know I've not been doing it as frequently as I would want to, but I'm definitely working on that. So thanks for joining me today. What I would say is, if you are not part of our Telegram group, do join our Telegram group. The description has the link for Telegram. I do post lots of tips on there, and of course, free signals. So feel free to join us there. And if you want to be part of the live mentorship, which I am, offering at the moment, it's only going to cost you like $23, and that obviously is even an investment for you, which will, bring a return of about 1.65% every day without you losing. We all know very well that in Forex, we lose some, we win some, but in crypto arbitrage, if a robot is trading for you, you don't lose. I have been, on this journey with this platform I'm using for over 30 days, and obviously it's all profit every day, profit return every day. Okay, guys, see you in the Telegram platform, and have a nice trading day. God bless. I'll be staying over. I'll continue on Zoom. I'll continue on Zoom now.